What's up, Blockheads? Coming to you with a quick episode regarding some charity stuff that we're involved in. Miss Blockhead has chosen a charity. Get Lowered reached out to us talking about raising some money, for a charity over the holidays, and they basically said, hey, pick a charity, let us know a little bit about it, and we're going to set up some items. We're going to auction them off. Get Lowered basically says that they will meet the price that it's auctioned off for. So like if it's auctioned off for $400, you basically got that money that's raised, and then they're also going to add $400 into the charity, and we're going to give it to a charity here in Orlando. Actually, we've picked one locally, a couple other motovloggers that are on board, Dan the Fireman, and Bike and Bird as well. We've all worked with Get Lowered quite a bit. So Miss Blockhead ended up picking out a charity because she has experience doing charity work previously. So you want to take it from here and let them know about what the charity is and what they do?
Yeah, so we picked Harbor House in Central Florida, and they offer a huge variety of services for individuals, adults and children dealing with domestic violence situations. So they offer housing, counseling, childcare services, just all sorts of stuff, legal services. It's just a really good charity. They work really closely with our court system to provide all that. And they don't just help during the situation, they help afterwards, just making sure that those people don't end up back in a situation like that. They also offer training and programs for businesses to be able to identify those situations and report them and who to bring them to. That way, stuff like this just doesn't go under the radar. So they do preventative measure stuff as well as dealing with the situation in the thick of it. So I think that's pretty cool.
And one thing you were mentioning was that they try to keep the people's the
measures that they take are just kind of are not only to empower the individuals, but also maintain their dignity in the situation, because a lot of times people, those are just really difficult times and really difficult situations where people feel at their lowest. They're self-conscious, or their self-worth and stuff like that is super damaged.
Yeah.
And reaching out for help isn't always the easiest thing, but they provide them with the resources that are needed to get out of that and to kind of stand on their own.
Yeah.
So, which is cool because you can go to family for that kind of stuff, but even sometimes family doesn't have the resources, either the time or the money or the knowledge that's needed to get you out of it. Ew. Rats.
Right.
But I thought it was really good.
Yeah, definitely a good charity, and I don't think I've ever mentioned or spoken about it on the channel, but when I was growing up, I was definitely in one of those situations where there was domestic violence, and I wish that my mom had something like an outlet like that, because I think it would have made a world of difference. So yeah, I think it's a really good cause, and yeah, if you guys want some more information on the whole thing, I'm going to include links down in the description below, as well as information. I'll throw it up on the screen for this thing for Get Lowered, so that if you guys are interested in participating, be sure to go check it out. Visit the link down in the description below, and yeah, help I guess help give back, help invest into the community.
Yeah, another thing about them is they're really transparent about where their money goes and how much of it goes actually towards families, women, children, men even.
Right.
So I think that's really cool, because you can go online and see what percentage. I think it's 87% goes to families, and then the other 13% goes to maintaining the the charity.
Right.
Paying people and supplies and services and whatever else. So it's awesome. I spent a lot of time on their website.
Yeah, so definitely go check them out. Like I said, everything, damn guy.
Right?
Links to everything in the description below. Big shout out to Get Lowered, for approaching us with this opportunity. So they're basically auctioning off a Shoei helmet. It's either going to be an RFSR or an RF 1200. I'm thinking RF 1200. And then also, what's the other item?
Vance and Hines FP3.
Oh yeah, that's two really awesome items. Yeah. So you've got basically a $500 to $600 helmet, and then an FP3, which is a tuner.
Yeah, and the winner gets to pick the color of the helmet, and the winner also gets to pick, of the FP3, gets to pick the, what would you call it? I don't want to split up.
Yeah, I mean the model that you need for your bike.
Yeah, obviously the one that you need.
Yeah.
So which is just cool. I think it's a 24-hour. You can put details to it and like a
yeah. I'll put all the details down in the description below, you know, and throw it in a comment or something. But yeah, I think it's going to be like a 24-hour auction. I wanted to say it's an auction, right? Not a raffle.
It's an auction on Instagram. We can put the instructions and everything, because I think explaining it, we would probably just...
Yeah, so I think basically you comment what you're willing to bid, or comment your bid, and then, yeah, just whoever bids the highest gets it, and then Get Lowered matches that. And then all of that basically goes towards the charity. So you have a chance to, you know, get some pretty cool stuff for, I don't know, for a good price. And it's also going towards a great cause, so... But I will, like I said, I'll drop the date of the auction and the link and all that stuff, so you guys can check it all out. All that info, once again, in the description down below. If you guys do have any questions, please feel free to post them up in the comments down below, and we will answer to the best of our knowledge. Like I said, be sure to check out the post that Get Lowered has made about it. Lots of questions answered over there, probably. Also, be sure to check out the other guys, what they're going to be auctioning off. Like I said, Dan the Fireman and Bike and Bird. I think Dan the Fireman is doing the Movember Foundation, which is men's health, which is like the whole Distinguished Gentleman's Ride associated with that. And then I can't remember what Bike and Bird is doing.
He's doing one for
the pets.
Pet rescue.
Yeah, like a pet rescue foundation kind of thing, which is cool. If you guys follow his channel at all, you know he's a big dog lover, so totally makes sense. But yeah, just some cool things as we go into the holidays here. Cool way to give back to the community, and you know, associate it with motorcycles. But
yeah, exactly. And they're also like really good causes that we can go on their website and donate to.
Exactly.
On your own, if you feel like it.
Yeah, if you feel like giving back, you know, outside of the auctions, you know, feel free.
What we picked is it's not random. We didn't just like look online. Like, it's something that, I mean, we personally know about. We know they do really good work.
Yeah. And then, yeah, be sure to look up stuff. There might be stuff similar to local in your area if you want to give back as well. So it's not just limited to what we're doing here. Anyways, that's the info, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed the episode. If you did, be sure to hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, hit subscribe. Hit that bell icon so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. Hit that share button, because sharing is caring. Until next time, you guys ride safe out there. Stay vigilant. We'll catch y'all on the next one. I need gas. All right. Deuces.
If you want to go to that gas station an hour later.
Yeah, we can do it later.